Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube videos. This is Lily. Look, we're down here at this beautiful place. Aline, you know where this is? Never told us. Is this the west coast or east coast? West. Down at the west coast, just off on our way down to Wellington. And then this beautiful place here, where some of you might... Son, what's the name of this place? And we've got this beautiful, we want to do a video on these beautiful baby seals. You know, you've got their mothers feeding down there, and we thought, oh, why not? You know, it's so nice to just capture them. So we're here, and look at them lying around. You wouldn't even know they're there. And as we were walking in, they were just under the shrubs. And what's the name of this place? Cape Palliser. And there's a lighthouse just up the top there. Yes, and whereabouts is this area?
This is like east coast, southeast coast.
Southeast coast, okay. So
no, that's the west coast.
Is this our way on down to Wellington?
Wellington.
Yes, so we're travelling down to Wellington, and this is still part of our holiday?
The east is on the corner.
Oh yes, okay, and this is still part of our holiday. We're still continuing down to the, we're still continuing down south to Wellington, heading down to Wellington. So we've just been at the farm in Masterton. So now, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, nice and warm. And we're just seeing this, we just thought we'd stop here. This beautiful place you must visit. It's so lovely. Look at the seals are just lying around, the babies, the father seals. Some of them were feeding. I know you saw one was feeding back there. And some of these seals are just, as we walked up, they were under the shrubs, and they just, yes, I've never seen them so close and so, what would you call it, calm and friendly. Yeah, so you could see them all here. It's a beautiful place to visit. You got anything to say, darling? Here, give it to me and you say something.
Enjoying sunbathing.
Yeah? What are you saying?
Sunbathing, and one tried to chase me down.
Yeah, oh, I love that one. We should go and capture that one again. It just kept chasing him, and we were all standing around, and just one particular one, I think Stephen went to stand on its rock, and so it just kept chasing Stephen away.
Okay.
All right, yeah, so this is it. This is all we wanted to capture, and we're so grateful that we managed to come down to this part of the North Island.
Just south of Masterton.
Just south of Masterton, that's correct. Hello there, you're so friendly. Hello. Hello there. Hey, how are you? Wow. They're just so friendly. Look at them just lying around. Hello. How are you? Okay, we better get going. Okay, this is a beautiful place that we've just come down to, and we're going to leave here. And there's a lighthouse just up the top there. So we're off now. We're off. We're off now. Okay. We'll catch you again on my next video, but this is just part of our holiday. And just to see these little darlings. So cute. Oh well. We'll catch you again on my next video. This is Lily. Bye for now.